Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make blockchain wallet easy method. First, pick a trusted wallet app, then create a new wallet and write down the seed phrase on paper. Use a password manager if you prefer digital storage, but never share your seed phrase. Enable biometric or two-factor security when available, and test a small transfer to confirm setup before moving larger amounts. Download the official wallet app from a verified source and open it, then select Create New Wallet and follow prompts to generate a seed phrase. Write the seed phrase on paper, avoid storing it in cloud notes, and consider a fireproof safe. Add a strong password and enable two-factor options for extra protection. Practice restoring the wallet using the seed phrase to ensure backups work properly before funding the wallet. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof containers that keep snacks safe during long setup sessions, and they make clean desk zones for secure seed phrase writing. They're sturdy, easy to stack, and perfect for meal prep or hardware wallet boxes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When sending crypto, always verify the recipient address and start with a small test amount to confirm everything works. Check network fees and choose an appropriate gas level to balance cost and speed. Keep clear labels for frequent contacts and review transactions on a block explorer if unsure. For added safety, use hardware wallets for larger balances and limit frequent use of hot wallets for everyday small transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.